look at that. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video, custom race suit. Anyway, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had the same boring Christmas and New Year as I had. I still hope you all have your fingers while playing with fireworks.
Oh, it's gonna pop! Oh!
Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you have probably seen the decals already, because I just posted it on my story a little bit by accident. So yeah, and I'm also working on my kid's buggy, because the batteries are absolutely screwed. This trailer that I actually Brabus-sized with Brabus wheels is going all over the world. This thing, yeah, this gave me like 40-50 million views on Instagram in the last couple of months. And it has been doing absolutely crazy. And then I also have my one-piece fully leather race suit for track days, because I... wait. I don't have a track bike. So maybe there's a track bike coming this year. And I will of course be also testing some more racing motorcycles. Not only the adventure ones. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Also some very good news. We have the new logo for Smokey Bubbles.
Yay!
Yeah, Smokey Bubbles. I've been talking about this for over a year or something. That I was going to do my own soap. It's more for the fun of it. I don't really want it to explode. I want to make like a couple of bottles just so I have my own soap. But I have been testing this like crazy. If you follow me on Instagram, SmokeySMP, you would already have been seeing that I tested a lot of soap from a lot of manufacturers on a lot of cars, mostly my own, a lot of friends' cars, bulldozers, excavators, buggies, you name it. There's a buggy also coming today to test my soaps on. A lot of work though, but really fun. So about my soap, these are pH neutral, so they don't do any damage to the paint. None of these actually do damage to the paint. Do not worry about that. I'm testing all of this stuff. And this is actually, like this one for example, this is coconut and cherry. This is a pH neutral foam. This is actually a pre-wash. And this is also 5.0, which actually means that this is the 5th bottle that I'm testing. This is more like a giant jug. This is the pre-wash for off-road vehicles, adventure vehicles, cross buggies, you name it. And I'm gonna call it the Smokey Bubbles Mud Muncher. See that? Mud Muncher. So this is the pH 10 level. Then I have the pH 11. I also have the pH 12. Probably not gonna sell those because, yeah, they're like very good soaps. Then of course we got the Smokey Bug Away. As you can tell, I'm also testing out a lot of foam cannons that will probably come into my shop. And I will test about 10 to 11, 12 foam cannons on a daily basis using a lot of soap and a lot of testing. So when it's good enough and it gets the Smokey thumb of approval, well, then I will probably put it in my web shop. Not really sure when I'm gonna launch all this, but like I said, I do not want to turn this into a too big of a business because I have other stuff to do, and you know me, I really want to do everything by myself. So I'm probably gonna set up a little shop in my garage over there or something. So testing at least about 20 to 30 different kind of soaps, different pH levels, about 15 foam guns, sponges, a lot of that stuff. So that is that for Smokey Bubbles, and look at that. Of course, my number, 103. 103 has always been my number. Like I said before, I used to have number 13 because I always had bad luck growing up. But when I was doing some motocross, actually somebody had the number 13, so I went for 103. Ooh. Can put some drinks in there or something, I don't know. Look at that. Smokey on the ass. Very nice. Nice detail though. Let's try it on. Look at that. This is pretty neat though, right? Look at this. I kind of like it though. Anyway, let's reveal the 2024 look of the Super Adventure R. So yeah, this is the new look for probably the next 2 or 3 years, or until I sell this beauty. But until now, I have not found any motorcycle that actually rides better as this one. More comfortable, yes, but as crazy, nope. Now this is a full custom graphics set that comes from Dab Rabbit. You can actually get exactly the same one as this one. Now I know, going with the Red Bull graphics is a little bit cliche, and I also don't really drink Red Bull because I actually turn in a turbocharged version of myself. And that's not really a good thing. So yeah, I kind of like this look. It's a little bit of a racy look per se. I also really like the handguards over here. Buddy Mike and Buddy Bob also really liked it. There's like a lot of graphics on this bike now. It might be a little bit too busy for some, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Now you guys know that I'm not really a big fan of orange. No, don't hate me for that. I don't really like the orange color, but there were more stickers actually into the set that actually covered the frame over here and over there. So the back would all be orange. So then that would be like really a lot of orange going on over there. So this is from Moto's Design Studio. That is the previous graphics. I left this part on. Why I put stickers on this, I have no idea, because I actually bought like a very expensive part of carbon fiber. Behind here is carbon fiber. So yeah, I bought carbon fiber to cover it up with graphics. I know, this is still carbon fiber though. Anyway. So this is the look for the KTM 2024 Super Adventure R. This is Smokey's new look for when I pick up very fast motorcycles and don't go off-roading. Or go off-roading in this suit, I'm not really sure. Probably gonna do that. Somebody asked me, so I'm probably gonna do that. And I'm also going to do a lot more unboxings because, well, I don't know, you guys really like those unboxing videos. Really satisfying. I should stop smelling things though. So we'll be working some more with KTM, Husqvarna, MV Agusta, BMW, CF Moto as well, Ducati and whatnot. A lot of cool brands as well. And talking about BMW, a couple weeks ago when I was actually into the store of the BMW dealer Louet in Brussels, I was fidgeting with like a lot of police motorcycles.
And look at that, yet again, brand spanking new police motorcycles. They have like 2 horns, F3, F4, they have like more lights. I want to take it out like on the highway and play with the lights and pull people over. I'm such a tool. Anyway.
And turns out the police also watches my channel. Yeah, I should stop doing wheelies at some point. Now the police sent me a message if I wanted to make some videos with these motorcycles. Of course, that's a no-brainer. Smokey on a police motorcycle in police costume? That's going to be hilarious. So yeah, can't tell you guys too much about it yet, but I gotta figure some stuff out. You gotta do some videos with the police. Tomorrow, actually, I have an appointment with the Piaggio group for Moto Guzzi and Aprilia as well. So maybe I can persuade him to also be in Team Smokey. Yeah. New bike, new clothes, new gear, new motorcycle partners to ride motorcycles with. Working together with the police. We got Smokey Bubbles, and of course, we got Smokey Tube, the YouTube course as well. And I'm also being asked to do some more trainings for multiple dealers as well on social media. So yeah, 2024 is gonna be busy, it's gonna be a lot of work, it's gonna be a ton of fun. Anyway, thank you all so much for hanging around. Hope to get like 100,000 subscribers as well this year. That will be pretty goddamn cool. But most of all, of course, yet again, Happy New Year to all of you. Stay safe, keep that rubber on the ground, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe. See ya. If you want to see the next video, it is right over there. If you want to see my favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done right over here. And if you want to know all about YouTube, go to smokeytube.com. See you guys next one, or click one of these.